Good morning students and welcome to our YouTube channel Gnan Manjari Modern School. So in the previous video we have just seen few things and then after we have just completed the chapter. So in that we have seen about the advantages, pollution of water resource and balance in nature. Okay, these two things we have seen in the previous video. So first of all we will revise this and then after we will just move towards the exercise answers. Then after here we have seen how we just pollute the water resources. Okay, we just throw this garbage to the direct river, pond, then after lake. In that directly we just put. So what happened? It just harms to the water, means marine things. Okay. Then here it was household sewage and toxic waste from factories are let into the river, means they just are put directly into the river. So what will happen? It will just harm to the aquatic life. Garbage is thrown near river banks, polluting the river water. So garbage is thrown near the river banks. So what happened? Due to wind and that all these will just go towards the river. Then after clothes are washed and animals are bathed in the river. So जो clothes है मतलब कपड़े और जो एनिमल्स है वो वहाँ पे बात करवाते हैं. Then after pesticides and fertilizers used on crop seeps through the ground and reach water sources. Okay, so this all the things just pollute the water resources. Then after we have seen in the balance nature, there is some specific balance in the nature that all the plants are the producer, means they produce their own food. Then after that is eaten by the herbivorous animals and the herbivorous animals are eaten by the carnivorous animals. So they are indirectly depend upon each other. So there should be a balance in the nature, but these due to the human being activities, this we have just imbalanced the this nature. Okay, we have just imbalanced the nature. So here it is the delicate balance in nature between different animals and their surrounding has been upset by human beings. You know that the plants get energy from the sunlight, animals feed on plants. You know that plants get energy from get energy from plants. Carnivorous gets energy by feeding on the herbivorous animals. Now forests have been declared either for agriculture or for building townships. Animals have been driven out of their natural habitat. The whole food chain has been upsetted. So land, water and air have become polluted. Deforestation has led to the soil erosion and soil degradation. So in very first chapter we have studied about soil degradation and soil erosion. Okay, then after we are using too much of water resources by wasting wasting a lot of water. Now what can we do for it? It is too late. Waste not, want not is a wise saying. We should not waste precious resources. We should conserve water and energy sources. In fact, all natural resources we have to switch over the renewable resources, eco-friendly source of energy and plant more trees and reduce, recycle and reuse should be our motto. So here they are just saying that कि हमको कम से कम पानी वेस्ट करना है और कम से कम हमको जो नॉन रिन्यूएबल रिसोर्सेज है उसको यूज करना है, लाइक पेट्रोल, डीजल एंड दैट ऑल द थिंग्स विच आर नॉन रिन्यूएबल रिसोर्स. सो फर्दर जनरेशन कैन यूज दैट. So we have to use that things which are renewable, like solar energy, wind energy. This all the things we have to use more instead of non-renewable energy. Okay. Now moving towards the exercise. So here you can see the question number 1, that is match the following or choose the correct answer. So I can write over here that is question number 1. In that the first one, that is a big city produces thousands of dash garbage daily. That is second one, tons. Okay, Then after second one, B, that is dash are non-biodegradable, that is plastic bags. Plastic bags. Third, C, that is dash plastic can be recycled. So dash plastic can be recycled, that is C. First, thick. Then after D, resources for biogas plants are dash available. So in the D, they are easily available. That is first. Easily available. Then after E, burning of dash pollutes the air leading to respiratory disorders. So here it will be 2 fossil fuels. Okay, so please write down the answers. Now here question number 2, that is fill in the blanks. Question number 2, that is fill in the blanks. In that the A, that is garbage is usually carried to dash outside the city. So it will be to landfills. To landfills. B, biogas unit have specially designed dash. So here in the B it will be biogas digester. Biogas digester. C, that is animals waste that remaining after biogas is produced can be used as dash. So here in the C it will be fertilizers. Fertilizers. Okay. Then D, that is dash and dash are now being recycled. So here it will be D, that is plastic and glass. Okay, and the last E, that is deforestation leads to soil dash and soil dash. So here it will be soil erosion and soil degradation. Okay, soil erosion and soil degradation. So now moving towards the question number 3, that is true false. In that the A is stagnant water creates hygienic condition. No, it is false. So here A will be false. Then after B, a good way to dispose of garbage is by burning it. अगर हम उसको जला दे तो वो it is a good thing. No, it is not a good thing. So here in the B it will also be false. Then after C, that is organic waste decays and mix with soil and makes it fertile. Yes, it is true. Then after D, that is biogas causes a lot of pollution. No, it does not cause lots of pollution. So here it will be false. Then after E, that is we must recycle and reuse things whenever possible. Yes, it is true. So here E will be true. So please write down the answer, students. I am giving you some time. Then after we will move towards the question answers. Okay, students, have you written down this? I am just erasing the question number 1 and question number 2. Okay, students? So here, moving towards the question number 4, that is question answers. Okay, question number 4, that is question answers. Let us see in that the first question, that is what is ecology? What is ecology? Let us write directly the answer. You have to write down the question. Okay, students. So the answer number answer number A, that is ecology. Ecology is the science that studies living things in that environment and all the different relationships relationships that exist that exist there. Okay, so this is the answer number 1, and here it is completed. So the answer number A is completed. Now moving towards the answer number B. So the question is, what happens if garbage is left lying around? What is, so here answer number B, answer number B, that is, if garbage is left lying around, it creates unhygienic conditions garbage attracts flies, rats, mosquitoes, and cockroaches. Okay, so this is the second answer, and which is completed. Okay, now moving towards the third one, I am just erasing that part. Okay, erasing this part. So the third question, that is, how are plastic bags harmful to animals? How are the plastic bags harmful to animals? So let us write down the answer, that is answer number C. Answer number C. Plastic carry bags are eaten by animals such as cows, if eaten by cattle, it would chop them to death. according to a report, a report, plastic bags, plastic bags have found their way into the sea, into the seas. Thousands of turtles and seabirds are killed each year when they eat this plastic bags mistaking them to be jellyfish. So here the answer is completed. Okay, please write down this. So here the first answer, that is ecology, is the science that studies living things in their environment and all the different relationships that exist there. Then after B, that is if garbage is left lying around, it creates unhygienic conditions. Garbage attracts flies, rats, mosquitoes and cockroaches. Then after, plastic carry bags are eaten by animals such as cows. If eaten by cattle, it would choke them to death. According to a report, plastic bags have found their way into the seas. Thousands of turtles and seabirds are killed each year when they eat these plastic bags, mistaking them to be jellyfish. Okay, so please write down this. I'm just giving you some pen. Okay, students, I am just erasing the answer number A. answer number A. That is, now moving towards the answer number D. So answer D, that is, the question is, what are biodegradable waste? Give some examples. So biodegradable substance are those that decay, decompose, or are broken up by bacteria or other organisms. For example, fruits and vegetables and vegetable pill leftover food, newspaper, and cotton cloth. Okay, so here we have just completed the answer, and now I am erasing the answer number B. So here the answer number E, the question is, what are non-biodegradable substances? Give some examples. What can be done with them? Okay, so I am writing the answer, that is answer number E, that is non-biodegradable substance are those that do not decay or decompose even after many are plastic, glass bottle, glass bottles, and tin can. Some of them can be recycled and here it is not finished. Okay, answer I am just writing further on that side. So erasing the answer number C. Erasing and attempts are being made to find ways to recycle all of them. Okay, so here the answer is finished. The F1, that is how is organic waste useful? So answer number F, that is organic waste decays decompose and mixes with the soil and makes it fertile. Okay, so this is the answer number 6 which we have completed. Okay, so write down this and in your homework write question answers in pairs. Okay, so we will meet in the next video with a new chapter. Okay, bye students. You now just please write down this. I am giving you some time